500 years ago, a man sketched something humanity had never seen before: wings big enough to let humans fly like birds. That man was Leonardo da Vinci. Now imagine his forgotten blueprints scanned into artificial intelligence and rebuilt with modern technology. Would his flying machine finally soar or crash just like it did in his time? Leonardo da Vinci wasn't just an artist. He was an engineer, a futurist, and a dreamer who refused to accept the limits of his era. In his notebooks, he designed war machines, diving suits, and even concepts for robots. But among his most ambitious ideas was a machine that could lift man into the skies, the ornithopter. It had enormous wings, pulleys, and levers, all powered by human muscle. Da Vinci studied birds in flight and believed humans could mimic them. But the truth was harsh. A human body simply could not generate the power needed. His machine, though brilliant on paper, could never fly. For centuries, it remained a beautiful but impossible dream. But was the problem really the design, or was it the time period? Da Vinci's genius wasn't wrong. It was just too early. Now imagine we take those very same sketches and feed them into artificial intelligence. AI doesn't think like humans. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't stop after one attempt. It can run millions of simulations in seconds. It can test every possible wing angle, every curve, every material, until perfection. Where Da Vinci had to guess, AI would calculate. The materials would change. Wood and canvas would vanish. AI would choose carbon fiber, titanium, and lightweight alloys, strong enough to handle pressure, but light enough to stay airborne. The power source would change too. Instead of human legs pumping pedals, AI would add small but powerful electric motors. Sensors on the wings would track airflow, adjusting their movement in real time. Autopilot would keep the craft stable, something Da Vinci could only dream of. Now picture the flight itself. A massive bird-like machine spreads its wings over a city skyline. The wings move not with exhaustion, but with perfect rhythm. Every gust of wind, every shift of air, instantly corrected by AI. To those watching from the ground, it wouldn't look like a clumsy invention. It would look alive, like a mechanical creature gliding with elegance through the sky. For the first time in history, Da Vinci's machine would not only fly, it would fly beautifully. But even if AI rebuilt the ornithopter, could it really replace modern planes? Probably not. Airplanes and helicopters are faster, more stable, more practical. Flapping wings require too much energy for long flights. But that doesn't make the machine useless. Imagine it as an experimental aircraft or even a sport. Picture races in the sky, pilots inside AI-guided ornithopters, competing like futuristic birdmen. It wouldn't be about replacing jets. It would be about proving that a 500-year-old dream could finally be real. And this leads to something bigger. This isn't just about one flying machine. It's about what AI can do with the past. How many inventions were abandoned in history, not because they were bad ideas, but because technology wasn't ready? Nikola Tesla had visions of wireless energy that the world never adopted. Ancient engineers dreamed of perpetual motion machines that never worked. What if AI could take all these unfinished ideas and re-engineer them for today? We might see machines inspired by ancient civilizations, perfected with AI. We could witness designs that once failed, finally taking shape as real working technology. Da Vinci's flying machine would just be the beginning. If AI can resurrect the past, are we entering a future where no dream is impossible? A future where the greatest minds in history can collaborate with the smartest machine intelligence of our time? So let me ask you, if AI rebuilt Da Vinci's flying machine today, would you climb inside and take flight? Or would you stand on the ground, watching a vision from the past finally soar above your head? If this journey sparked your imagination, hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic what-ifs, and share this video with a friend who loves the mix of history and technology. Because sometimes the future doesn't come from new ideas. Sometimes the future begins with the dreams of the past.